Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Bodh, where knowledge initiates. Guys, today's topic would be an interest for all. It would be helpful for both adults, adolescents, and younger children. The topic is why and how to stop worrying about what people around us feel about us. Friends, why do we give so much importance to people around us? I mean, when was the last time you made a decision without thinking how your friends or family or neighbors would perceive it? We think about other people's opinion even while taking everyday decisions. Like, how would these pants look on me? Is this picture too much for Instagram? Are these people talking shit behind my back? What if I take this job? What would my friends think about me? And this race to be accepted on social media these days is just like a cherry on top. Living a life on the ideals of what other people think is really a terrible way to live. Because friends, you are not a spineless spectator who waits for other person to take that action. You are responsible for you. Okay guys, I'll tell you a short story. Few days ago, I got a chance to face a camera once again for my YouTube channel. Honestly, I hesitated at first, but then my followers, my subscribers, all came across my mind and I just said yes. I did it and the result was overwhelming. Friends, at a certain point in life, one has to stop caring and worrying about what other people think and start living on one's own ideals. One has to quit worrying whether people around criticize the efforts or happily motivate you. You need to focus on your energies and on what is important for you and only you. Guys, you know what? Shakespeare was wrong. All the world is not a stage. We just think it is. And this unaccepted power creates massive anxiety in you, me, and in all of us. You cannot avoid criticism, but you can learn to live with it and not making it a grip on your life. One must not be persuaded by a negative comment, a bad review, or a raised eyebrow. I repeat, friends, one must not be persuaded by a negative comment, a bad review, or a raised eyebrow. So stop. Just stop letting fear and anxiety be the person you are. I will help you with 6 ways you can stop giving a damn about other people's opinion. First, focus on what matters. Think of available attention as a glass with limited capacity. Now you choose what needs to go in the glass and by how much. Second, criticism is good. Thumbs up. Being ignored is way more worse than negative comments. Trust me. Third, you know you. You know you means no one knows you more than you know yourself, whether it is your parents, partner, or whosoever around. So keep this point as important. You need to learn about yourself from your mistakes, from your own failures, and not by others. Fourth, stop overthinking, guys. This is my favorite point because I do it way more often than I will ever accept. Trust me, overthinking sets you down. Fifth, don't be a people's pleaser. It is impossible to please each and everyone around. You can't burn yourself to come up to everyone's expectation. Please avoid it. Go through all the points and live your life because, guys, life is too short to live on anybody else's terms. Be happy, stay blessed, stay positive, ignore what drains your positive energies. Thank you. Much love, Himadyati.